everyone. Thanks for joining us today at Drone Expo 2026. Today we have Mr. Prakash from Edutech Emerging Tech Labs. Let's have a quick conversation about their experience and what products they are showcasing at Drone Expo 2026. Hello sir, glad to have you here.
Yes.
So let's not take much of your time. Could you please introduce yourself and tell our audience about your company?
Okay, so I'm Prakash from Edutech Future Mobility Lab. It's our division. About Edutech, it's a 30-year-old organization. 30 years back, it started in Chennai, and our main ideologies, we will looking for that world-class lab equipments for engineering who are all interested to set up a lab to do the research, teaching and training. So this is how it started. Now we have different batches, started from academic to industries. We have clients. Our main solution is we have all types of engineering lab, starting from humanoid robot, robotic arm, drones, self-driving car, electrical vehicles. Like that, we have different offerings. Based on our client requirements, we can grab those technologies. We will handhold them in India. That's how it's
Okay. Sir, any hero product you are showcasing at Drone Expo right now?
Sorry?
Any hero product? Like
Yeah, okay, got it. So here the main product is this one. It's called Quansa Q Drone 2.
Lift it.
Yeah, so this is the platform.
Okay.
It's meant for teaching, training, research, where you can do your own control algorithm. You can put it here. It's a top-notch computing called NVIDIA.
Okay.
So our flight, it's itself having that NVIDIA computer. You can develop your own code from the scratch, and you can do your own optimization, and you can fly inside the lab, and you can use this platform for teaching, training, and research.
Very wonderful. Very nice product, sir. So, what are your strengths which keeps you unique from others?
Yeah, that's what. When we compare to that other commercial drones, it's not meant for research. It's only for commercial purpose.
Yeah.
So, what is already available is it's like a computing unit. They are using microcontroller, but here it's onboard computer. So, and meant for do your own things. You can do everything from the scratch. So that is what the key difference from others.
Okay, yeah, definitely. So, any message you would like to convey to your potential customers, visitors, and individual exploring your booth?
Okay, so here anyway, it's almost end of that event. So if you want more time with us, we are open anytime. We have the Google Drive brochures. We have you can Google it, our company edutechindia.com. From there, if you want any support in terms of lab setup for teaching, training and research, we are the only solution here to give a full-fledged lab, starting from humanoid robot to autonomous car to the drone labs. So you can reach us at any time over the website.
That's a great message to for the customers visiting you all the time when you are at Drone Expo.
Yeah.
Okay. I hope you had the great experience at Drone Expo in Bangaluru. In September, we are bringing it in New Delhi with same aim and more opportunities. Would you like to participate again?
Yeah, we are interested, but I'm not the correct person right now to answer that. But we are eager to participate there also. Yeah,
You will convince them.
Yeah.
Definitely, for sure. Okay. Thank you so much, sir. Looking forward to see you in New Delhi as well. Thank you, sir.